BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. About 4 months ago, I posted a video that Google had started testing Privacy Sandbox version 3 in Chrome Canary, which is a preview version of the browser. Now, as I mentioned in that video, Google said that they were using Privacy Sandbox to phase out third-party cookie tracking to improve the privacy of users, and have now added a redesign to the UI, the user interface, and new features behind a flag in Chrome Canary version 100, and that was the version of Chrome Canary at the time of posting that video, and currently now we are sitting on Chrome Canary version 105. Now, when I did post that previous video, the Privacy Sandbox, it was early days, and there was quite a lot that wasn't working and making too much sense in the feature, and I will leave a link to that previous video down below, as it will just give you a little bit more in-depth information as to what the Privacy Sandbox is all about. Now, if we just head to the stable version of Chrome, and we just head over to the privacy and security page, and we click on Privacy Sandbox, this is currently what it looks like in the stable version of Google Chrome, and I have posted numerous videos on this if you just like to do a search on the channel. Now, if we head back to Chrome Canary, and we head to the same privacy and security page in settings, and we head down to Privacy Sandbox, this is what it looks like now in Chrome Canary. And as mentioned when I posted previously, this was basically a dead feature, but now it seems to be a lot more functional and is now in beta, so it's an official preview. And basically, you can have the option to toggle on, toggle off. It is on by default, but just note that when you first launch after the update, as this was an update to my Chrome Canary overnight in my region, you will have the option to opt in or opt out of the trials. So you will have that option. Now, it says here, with Privacy Sandbox trials, sites can deliver the same browsing experience using less of your info. That means more privacy for you and less cross-site tracking, and they say they'll add new trials as they're ready to test. And you can click on about browser-based ad personalization, which will give you some more information and your interests as estimated by Chrome, what data is used, how we use this data, how you can manage your data, sites you visit that define your interests, what data is used, how we use the data, and so on. So that will just give you some more information. And then, as mentioned in the previous video, there wasn't too much making sense here, but if we click on these now, these three options, browser-based ad personalization, your browsing history affects the ads that you see, and it says basically if Chrome has randomly placed you in an active trial, your browsing history affects the ads that you see and the interests as estimated below. So your interests as estimated below by Chrome, and you can just click on that, which will give you some more information. The little R, which is for information. A list of interests may appear here as you browse the web, and then sites you visit define your interests. A list of sites you visit may appear here as you browse the web. Now, I don't do a lot of browsing in Chrome Canary, so that's why I don't think I'm seeing too many sites for my interests, as I don't use it to browse a lot. I just use it mainly to post videos on new features. And then if we go to OK, we go to ad measurement, and it says here that ad measurement allows sites that you visit to request information from Chrome that helps the site measure the performance of their ads, and then you get some more information. And if you can also see your browsing history straight from there, click on OK. And then the last one is spam and fraud reduction, helps sites fight fraud and distinguish bots from people. And it says here, based on your interaction with a site, like regularly signing into an account, that site can issue a trust token to your browser. Later, if other sites that you visit check for and find a valid trust token, they're more likely to treat you like a person and not a bot, and so on. So I just wanted to update you with this, as this is a feature that Google has been working on over the last year or two, and they keep updating and changing it and updating it. So they look like they are serious about this. And as mentioned, this is available to some extent in the stable version, as I did mention, but they are making some adjustments now to Privacy Sandbox, which is now in an official beta preview, which is just bringing a lot of more options now to that Privacy Sandbox. And as mentioned, that's as mentioned in that previous video, that's because Google is trying to phase out third-party cookie tracking to improve the privacy of users, and that's according to Google. So just wanted to let you know. And once again, if anything more does change and this feature does start rolling out to the stable version, I will let you know and I will post accordingly. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.